In this video, we're going to take a look at setting up a tables with a set of data. Tables just give you an easy way to format, organize, and sort through information, so it can be advantageous to convert it. So I've taken the opening file for Obj6. I just have a fictional team set up right here. So I'm going to just take a look, maybe tinker with this formatting, some column widths here. I'm just going to drag, maybe center, some height, class, and position here. Just all stuff should be a review for you from the formatting toolbar. One thing you want to do when you're making your table, you have to be careful to make sure you're selecting the range correctly. So I only want the part of the table, not the heading, because that can make a mess of things if it doesn't match up with the rest of your data. So I'm going to highlight A3 to E13. I'm going to go to Insert, and I'm going to select Table. If you do have a headers, which means titles to each column, check the box that says My Table Has Headers. And then you should notice the Table Tools options pop up, which gives you all kinds of things. It gives you a default setting here, so when we click off, you can see the Table Tools are gone. When I click back on the table, it's back up there for me. So we have all kinds of table styles. You can, as you scroll through them, it auto colors. So if you're doing this for some club or activity or organization, you could almost find something that already matches the colors if that's something you like. And so we could select one. We have all kinds of options up here for which part of the table we want to use from the templates. So we can easily come here. Let's say I just want to look at anybody who's a junior. I could come here. This is using the filter features, and click the junior class. Then I would have a list showing only the juniors involved in this activity. And then to get it back, you didn't lose anything. You just come back to select all and hit OK. Just another simple way to convert a data set. And of course, I might want to go here and use some of the tools we've previously worked on, do a merge and center, work with this title a little bit so it's more attractive to for our project there. So that's simply getting tables going. And again, the key here is once you get the table inserted, go back to the special toolbar, and then you have some different options for designing the colors, sorting through the drop-down list, which could be advantageous. Again, a smaller data set, not as important, but when you get a larger data set, being able to filter and use the table feature comes in very handy.